When taking Ultra Omega-3, it's important to follow the directions on the package label. If you have any questions, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. If you're using the enteric-coated capsules, be sure to swallow them whole. However, if you're using the chewable form, make sure to chew thoroughly before swallowing. For the liquid form, it's important to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device/spoon. Avoid using a household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. Some brands may need to be shaken well before each use. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you believe you may have a serious medical issue, it's crucial to seek medical assistance immediately. Some common side effects of Ultra Omega-3 include a fishy aftertaste, if made from fish oil, nausea, bloating, or burping. If these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has recommended this product, it is because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, contact your doctor immediately if you experience easy bruising or bleeding. Although rare, a serious allergic reaction to Ultra Omega-3 may occur. Seek medical help if you notice symptoms such as a rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. As for the daily dosage, it is best to follow the instructions on the product label or as directed by your doctor. Ultra Omega-3 is usually taken with a meal to help with absorption. If you have any concerns or questions about the best time to take this medication, consult with your healthcare provider. If you have allergies to omega-3 fatty acids or fish, or if you have other allergies, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know before taking Ultra Omega-3. This product may also contain inactive ingredients such as peanut or soy, which could cause allergic reactions or other issues. It's best to consult with your pharmacist for more information. If you are pregnant, it's important to only use Ultra Omega-3 if it's clearly needed. Be sure to discuss the potential risks and benefits with your doctor before using this medication. It's uncertain whether this product passes into breast milk, so it's best to consult with your doctor before using Ultra Omega-3 if you are breastfeeding. When taking Ultra Omega-3, the recommended daily dosage is typically 1 to 2 capsules, depending on your individual needs. It's best to take these capsules with a meal to ensure optimal absorption. Remember to follow the dosage instructions on the product label or as directed by your healthcare provider. When taking Ultra Omega-3, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that could affect the way your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Ultra Omega-3 for your specific health needs. If you or someone you know has taken too much Ultra Omega-3 and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center. During the use of Ultra Omega-3, you may be required to undergo lab or medical tests, such as cholesterol or liver function tests. It's important to attend all scheduled medical and lab appointments. Make sure to consult your doctor for more information regarding these tests. If you forget to take Ultra Omega-3 on your regular schedule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Never take double the dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to take this medication at the same time every day, so try to find a time that works best for you and stick to it. When it comes to storing Ultra Omega-3, it's important to follow the storage information printed on the package. You can ask your pharmacist if you have any questions about storage. Make sure to protect it from light and moisture, and avoid storing it in the bathroom or freezing it. Keep all drug products away from children and pets. It's also important to properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do so. Remember, do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.